gorgeous, welcome back. Hope you guys are doing great. So today is another wig review as usual. So I'm revealing this wig from Perfectlace. Okay, Perfectlace Wig. So the wig is let me bring it out for you guys to see. It's blonde color. Ooh, this is it. It came with a wig cap and some hair clips. So guys, it is pre-plucked silky straight 613 color blonde Brazilian virgin hair lace front wig, LFW 22. So for the inches, I'm not too sure of the inches. Should be, is it 22, 23, 26? I don't know, but I'm going to check. I will leave all the details of the wig on the description box, so if you check that out. I'm going to also leave the inches so that you guys can know the exact inches. Okay, is you see the color. So I thought of leaving it this way. I don't want to change the color, I just want to install it the way it came. The hairline is pre-plucked, you see this, but I think I'm going to do little plucking. Should I? Or I should install it like this. You can see. Okay, let's install it like this to see, for beginners that don't know how to pluck hair, to see if they buy this hair they can install it and look good like this. Okay, I just want to try that because the hairline came pre-plucked like you guys can see here, and came with some baby hairs. Inside the wig came with an adjustable strap. This is detachable, you can detach this from it, and also an inbuilt adjustable strap. There are combs inside as well to attach this to your scalp. See, perfectly. There's no shedding. Right now I'm trying to drag it, no shedding from it, and it's so soft and silky. That's what I like. See this. Ooh. In case if you're interested, I'm going to leave all the information of this wig on the description box, so don't hesitate to check that out. And also I'm going to leave the link to their website on the description box. Okay, it's Perfectlace Wig. I'm going to leave the direct link to their website on the description box, so check that out. Also, there is a lace at the back, so you guys can see it on. I'm going to take mousse to take the hair backward. Oh, I like this. I don't think I have done any color like this before. If I should, maybe once. I like it. This is a change for once. Okay, I don't want to bleach it to change the color. I just want to install this wig like this, blonde. Ooh, this is so gorgeous. I just like the color. See this? Okay, I love this. I so much love this color, at least for a change. I wish I could like tint my eyebrow the same color. Would have been so cool. I don't know what to do to change my eyebrows to this same color. That would have been so nice.
Pretty brown girl, her space. You can keep your better. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world.
I'll cut the lace from it before gluing it down.
I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey.
I'm just following the hairline. I'm going to use Got to Be Blue spray. If I tell you guys that I am cold in this room, you will not believe it. Okay, I'm going to comb this. I don't want my hair to show, so I'm still shifting it forward. So this is it. I'm going to cut the rest off camera, then I'll be right back to show you guys. You guys know how I do it. You're not strange. If you're not new here, you should know how I cut my excess lace from my wig. So I'm just going to do the rest, then get back to you guys. So guys, I am back with my face wet beat. Okay, so I'm going to lose this and try to create a party. So I'm going to put little powder here to blend my forehead together.
Face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. Give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. Songs all just for you. 3 of them I can't bear listening to. I'd give you the world like I promised I would.
You guys know I like center part. I like center part. I like it straight, but I just want to add little coils to the side and see how it will look. Because I know you can coil this hair, and also you can change the color. You can bleach the hair to any color that you want. Okay, but I don't feel like bleaching it. I just want to leave it like this. See this? Ooh, you see that? You see that? So what do you guys think after coiling it? I think it's gorgeous as well. I like the coils. Diamonds playing, Carol singing, favorite season. So guys, that is it for this video. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, so if you're interested, check that out. And please go, just before you go, if you like it here, subscribe. Thank you so much for doing that. I appreciate. And if you like this video, why not support your girl by clicking on the like button. I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye.
Check my list twice. Most of y'all done. Sleigh bells ring.